I want to scale my account. My question to you is, how do I scale my Amazon PPC ads safely without blowing up ACoS? By counting on the fact that you are going to bring additional testing that is going to cost you additional money. The easiest way for us to control ACoS while we're creating lots of new campaigns is to make sure that the number of campaigns that we're creating is not overwhelming. So let's say that you have 10 products, and then for each 10 products, you're going to create 10 campaigns. That is not a way to scale. The way you would scale is first take the top selling product, start with one campaign, gather data, start with one more campaign, gather more data, see what works, see which one performs better, pause the first one. If it's not working well, give the second one, gather more data until you're proving your point, and so on and so on. So this could be one of the ways that is safer without blowing your ACoS. If you are more aggressive, you can create multiple campaigns, but in the same time, you have to also make sure that everything is optimized on the high ACoS keywords that are not bringing a lot of sales. So that way you would shift budget from things that are already not working well into testing.